So guys, on the public demand today I'm going to show you the features of Affiliate Booster plugin. So now I'm going to show you the features one by one. So I will add the first feature by saying AB top pick. So this is the first feature we have given. So this would be a very good feature for the Amazon affiliates. You can simply create the boxes like this. Here you would give the title. Let me write it. This is my title. Here you can write your subtitle, right? And here you can write the product features, right? Here I'm writing this feature, here I'm writing all these features. You can write the features like this. Now let's say you want to change anything. Let's say you want to change the color of this. Now simply go in the top pick setting, go here, select the color, boom, it is done. Now you want to change this, you can say this is our top picked product, boom, you can do that, right? So it's as simple as that. Now if you want to change the width of this, we have given the option of width also. You can simply go there and then you can change the width, right? It is as simple as that. Now I can change the width also. In the PX format, if you want to do in the PX, you can simply write down the PX value 500, 600, 700, whatever the value is. Now this is the feature, right? Now you can change everything in this box. It would be a perfect box for the affiliates where you can showcase your main product. Button setting, if I go here, medium, small, large, XL, whatever you want, you can change the buttons. You can change the color of the button, text of the button, or whatever you want, right? And we have added one more feature here. Let me show you that feature. Let's say you want to have the product on the right side. Simply click on right, boom, it is there, right? Simple. Do you want in center? The product would be in center, and after that you have this. So you can simply play with this particular block, and it is simple and it is very easy to insert. Let me show you the next block. The next block would be product review block. So again, this is an interesting block where you can simply insert. Let me try to insert. I think there is some bug in this. Let me insert this product again. So here is this product, and here I would say this is the good feature of the product, right? So here you can talk about all of the good features. I will simply copy this, right? All the good features, and here you can talk about the bad features of the product. So simply copy this, right? Here these are all bad features. Now you can even play with the same box. You can go in the progress setting. You want to change the width of this, simply move this, and now you see the width is changing. You want to change the height, you can change the height also. Awesome, right? You can increase the rating size also. So simply play with this box, and I think this is looking very professional. I am just in love with this box. You want to change the button, okay, medium, full, whatever you want to do, the setting is there, right? Let's move to the next block. AB comparison table, and I think this is the most demanded feature in our plugin. You can simply create a very good looking table here. You can add all of the products, you can talk about the features here, you can talk about the details here, the price button would be here, you can insert the Amazon affiliate link here, right? Now I can insert this shoes here. So this is the simple comparison block. Now let's move to the next block. Next block would be single product. I think I have added, yeah, single product is kind of similar block which we have created in the past, but here you can create the items like this, right? So this would be like a very good thing if you want to talk about the every feature of the product, and the button has the exact same setting. You can make it medium, large, or whatever you want. You can make it full size. Simple, easy, right? It is very good feature for the affiliates. Now let's move to the next one. AB notice block. This is like a simple notice. If you want to showcase anything, just select this. You want to change the color, simply go here and change the color, whatever the colors you want, and it is easy, simple. Now let's move to the next block. Pros and cons. Again, very highly demand feature, I would say. So I'm just copy pasting so that I can make it easier for all of you to understand. So this is how you can make the pros and cons. You can change all of the buttons or whatever you want. You can change these icons. You can see simply it is changing. If you want to change the icons in this cons, simply go there, change it, right? Whatever you want, it is there. Now let's move to the next block. It would be AB button. So button, we have created a very good feature in the button. So this is the simple button block. You can write whatever you want, buy now, or whatever you want to write here. You go in the button setting and you can do the same thing: medium, large, XL, full, fixed, flexible, or whatever you want. And here we have given one feature. Click on this, boom, it is rounded feature now. Right? Simple, easy, amazing. You can even change all of the colors. Now let's move to the next block. Next would be notification block. So this is simple notification block. If you want to give any notification, you can simply give like this. But here again we have given all of the features where you can change the colors, whatever the colors you want to change. Just play with this and you can change the color, border color, content color, padding, size, everything is there. You want to make the border thicker, just give it a size 4, 5, 10 or whatever you want. You can see the border is thickening. So this is the feature. Now let's move to the next one. Next one was call to action. This is the simple call to action button, and here we have given one feature where in the box setting you can give it two styles. This is another style, this is the first style. Now if you want to insert any image in the background, you simply go here, you simply select this, and here you can insert the image. Let me click on this. So now I am inserting the image at the background. Now you want to have an overlay, simply go there, add an overlay. This is the overlay. You want to decrease the opacity, okay, you can decrease it, right? I think you are loving the features. Now if you want to change the color of this text, you can simply go in this setting, journal setting, text color, white, content color, white, whatever you want. You can just simply play with this box, this call to action block, and this would look amazing. Let me click on preview, and here you can see the preview of all of the blocks. This is the first block, second block, this is the third block, this is another block, notice, pros and cons, buttons, and all these features. So this is all about the, I would say, the blocks which we are going to have in the theme. Let me show you the theme right now. So here is the theme. So this is the theme. If I go here in the customizer, let me show you the features of the theme, because right now I was showing you just the blocks which you are going to get in the theme. Now let me show you the features of the theme. Simply go in the Affiliate Booster theme panel, global options. You can simply change the background color, whatever the color you want. You can see the color is changing. You can change the base typography, whatever the typography you want. All the typography is here. Google fonts, size, line height, letter spacing, left, right, colors, everything you want to change, everything whatever you want. Advanced typography, we have given the option to change the text typography, H1, H2, H3, and all the heading tags. Header options, we have given 6 header designs. Header number 1 would look something like this because the menu is here. Header number 2, the menu would come in center. So here you can add more elements. Header number 3, logo in the center, menu in the left. Header number 4, logo in the center, menu in the center. Header number 5, logo is here and the menu is here. And header number 6, the menu would be shifted in the middle, right? So these are the features we have given. If you want to change the background color, you can simply go there, change the color. It's easy, so easy, right? Now let's come to the home page layout. So home page layout, we have given, I think, 6 or 7 layout designs. This is the first layout where you can see the first image as the bigger one, and after that there is grid. If you don't want this feature, simply go there and you say grid style and right sidebar. Once you do this, here you would see the grid. Right now there is some issue, my developer is fixing that, but you would see the grids here, one image here, another one here. So we are just fixing that, and here we have given all of the options which you can play with, and then you can have whatever the design you want. Now let's move to the single post. Let me open one post. So this is, guys, single post. This is how your article will look. So now here you can see that the title is at the top. If you want to move the title inside the box, simply go there and say inside container. Boom, the title is there inside the container now. If you want outside, click outside and it would go outside. It's simple and easy. Now the image is here. This is the featured image. If you want it above the title, simply click on above title, and you see the image is above the title now. Now we are going to add, I think, 6 layout designs, which I will reveal very soon. Right now there is only one layout design. We are going to add 6 layouts where you would have the featured image here and the title above the featured image, title below the feature is like there are 5-6 different layout designs which we are going to add very soon. Here you can play with the sidebar also, whatever you want, sidebar content or content sidebar. If you do this sidebar content, I think there is some problem in this. I will ask the developer to fix it. So you know that how you do it, right? So you can simply play with the sidebar if you want it left, right, or whatever. So all these settings are here. Footer options, if you want 1 footer, 2 footer, 3 footer or whatever, just select that and you will have the footer here. Got it? And custom scripts, if you want to add any Google Analytics, Facebook ads or whatever the code you want to add in the header footer, you can simply paste the code here. Blog archive, we are working on it, so I will not show the demo. Submenu, yes, this is something we have added in the theme. If you see this submenu, if you hover the mouse, it is like moving, right? Very good effect here. So you can simply change the colors. You can change the link background color. Let's say I have changed the color to black. Now it is black, right? Let's say you made it red. Now it would be red. So this is how you can change the colors, link color and all the settings. So this is all about the theme. Let me simply just go there at the backend of the theme, backend of the article, and I'll show you what are the features inside the article. I will open one article here. I will go in the edit post. Inside the articles, we have given the features which should be there for affiliates. Here simply we have given header options. You can simply insert any header code, footer codes. If you are running ads as an affiliate, you can insert your conversion pixels here in any article, right? Now here are the features. You want full width, contained, inherit. You want page title. Do you want featured image or not? Do you want header or not? Do you want footer or not? Right sidebar, left sidebar, no sidebar. All these settings are there in the theme. I am very excited to launch this theme in the market because I have added all of the features which must be there in a very good theme. I hope you would be also excited after watching this video. So stay tuned. I am launching this theme this month. I was planning to launch on 13th June, but I think this won't be possible because there are still so many features missing in the theme. We are working on it. So stay tuned. This theme would be in your hands this month. Thank you.